Major 2024 Semrush Updates, get results with the help of new features. In the ever-revolving world of digital marketing, staying ahead of the curve is essential for success. That's why the major 2024 Semrush Updates are a game-changer for all marketers looking to enhance their strategies and drive better results. Semrush Major Updates 2024, new features for better results. The latest Semrush updates introduce groundbreaking features that cater to every aspect of digital marketing, from keyword research to website analytics. Landing pages optimization. Creating effective landing pages is crucial for converting visitors into customers. The new Semrush updates offer advanced tools for optimizing landing pages, analyzing user behavior, and improving overall user experience. Keyword research tools. Keywords are the backbone of any successful SEO strategy. The new keyword research tools in Semrush, you can uncover high-traffic keywords, analyze competitor keywords, and identify new opportunities for optimization. By leveraging these tools, you can ensure your content is always targeting the right keywords for maximum visibility. SEO tools for enhanced performance. Semrush provides a comprehensive suite of SEO tools to help you improve your website's search engine ranking. From on-page SEO optimization to off-page link building, Semrush offers everything you need to boost your website's visibility and drive organic traffic. Backlink audit and tracking. Backlinks play a crucial role in SEO, and Semrush's backlink audit and tracking tools make it easy to monitor and optimize your backlink profile. By analyzing your backlinks for quality and relevance, you can strengthen your website's authority and improve its search engine ranking. Content creation and optimization. Creating high-quality content is key to engaging your audience and driving traffic to your website. Semrush's content creation and optimization tools help you produce compelling content that resonates with your target audience. Search engine optimization. Semrush's comprehensive SEO tools provide everything you need to optimize your website for search engines. Traffic analysis and rank tracking. Semrush's traffic analysis and rank tracking tools provide real-time insights into your website's performance and search engine rankings. By monitoring traffic trends and keyword rankings, you can identify opportunities for growth and track the success of your SEO efforts. SEO trends and data-driven decisions. Semrush's data-driven approach to SEO empowers you to make informed decisions based on real-time data and performance metrics. By staying on top of SEO trends and analyzing data, you can optimize your campaigns for maximum impact and drive better results. Conclusion. In conclusion, the major 2024 Semrush updates introduce a wealth of new features and enhancements designed to take your digital marketing efforts to the next level. With tools for keyword research, competitor analysis, content creation, and more, Semrush equips you with everything you need to optimize your strategy and achieve better results.